Hello everybody, back by popular demand, and I don't mean myself, I mean a Rapido. So, no, I don't know. Let's cut that. This is a brand new 2022 Rapido. Let's take a look. You want to see inside this? This is a brand new Distinction I96, and there is a ton of pack and storage and everything and add-ons in this. This is a 60 edition for the 60 years of Rapido, a 60 series, and it is also a new black pack. So you'll see this isn't the chrome finish, this is the black finish now. Now I'm not going to lie to you, I had to go and figure out how to open these handles because they're all new, but I'm going to show you, so it'll not be new to you. So this is where your gas locker is now, and you'll see you push in here, you pull that out, and that opens the door. I won't tell you how long it took me to realise it because I don't want to embarrass myself. But here is your gas locker. Down here you have your storage outside. And this is an Alco chassis. So you have your full length storage all the way reaching round to the other side of the motorhome. Down here is your garage, and it has one of the normal, usual doors. And there's your removable carpets as well as your external shower unit there as well. Now, this is a height adjustable island bed. So you do that just here, and you'll see that's going up. Now, I won't stand here all day and do that for you, but as you can see, it is height adjustable. And there is tons of storage in there as well. So coming around the back of the vehicle, you do have your reverse camera up there. As I said, this has the black pack, so you have that lovely black finish on the back, and then you have these lovely black finishes on the lights as well. Trust Rapido to go the extra mile on their branding. And you do have access to your storage, your garage on the other side as well. Same with the Alco chassis. If you want to see that, let me know. Let's go inside. As I mentioned, this is the 60 edition, so that follows all the way through the vehicle, from the outside all the way in. Here you see the 60 there. Down below you have your 60 here on the special print as well. This is a lovely soft leatherette, and it really finishes the whole thing off. So here is your main living area. You do, of course, have this table that folds out. A new feature on Rapido is this is actually a heated table leg. So I don't really know why, but if you're touching it in the middle of the night, it'll not make you cold, it'll keep your leg warm. Up front you have the brand new digital dash. This is a 9-inch screen. It has your sat nav, your DAB radio, your Apple Connect, your Android Connect, everything. It does everything, and that is the new 9-speed automatic as well. Of course, your leather steering wheel has cruise control, it's multifunction, and your volume controls, everything there as well. So up above me is the new design for the drop down bed. If you know Rapido, you know that there's usually a wee clip to lock it in place, and that's no longer the case anymore. I'm just going to fold these chairs down, and now I'm going to show you how the new handle works. So it is flush, this nice little piece of wood here, and you just pull it towards you. That unhooks it, and down comes your first and second berth. Wee bit squeaky because it's never been done, it's brand new. But of course you have your lights up there and your skylight as well, and then as simple as ever, it just goes back up into place again. So another new feature that Rapido has is built into their little reading lights here. Now, if you're familiar with Rapido, you know these reading lights. It's just a slight little sensor. But if you come around the side, there's also USB ports on every light as well. And that works the same on the other side as well, where that reading lamp is. Moving back, you come into your kitchen area. So, of course, you have your standard 3 gas hob. You have your sink. And then you have tons of storage down below. In there, real deep cupboards. Now, Rapido has also added into this model an Isolator Switch. So you can switch on or off your gas from in here as opposed to going outside. You just switch it on and off. You don't have to worry about going out in the rain ever again. Over here you have your TV bracket, and that just comes loose. And you can position that whatever way you want. There is all the different ports that you may need. You know, it's HD ready, everything. And then up above here is your combined oven and grill, along with your separate fridge, freezer in there. And these are the new doors as well, so they open on either end as well. So before we leave the main living and kitchen area, one of the most important things to me, this Rapido comes with a built-in vacuum. I'm serious. And you're going to have to come down for it. Down here. You sweep all your stuff just here. And you can touch this with your foot or your hand. And that's your vacuum. And then when it comes to emptying it, you just lift that wee lever. And there's the bag. And you just empty that bag. And it's good to go again. Now, of course, there is tons of storage underneath. As this is an Alco chassis, which I mentioned below. I mentioned outside. Let's go into the bedroom. Come on, join me in the master room down here. So, if you've seen any of my other Rapido videos, you will see that this is a Comfort Boltex mattress. This comes with 2 mattresses, so there's extra comfort, both memory foam, both comfy as ever. And trust me on that one, if you want to come down and lie on it, we'll let you. You can come. Rapido this year, they have given you an option of different coloured pillows. So there is a red one down in the living room. You have your green, and then you have your mustard or yellow, whatever you like to call it. They are lovely velvet pillows. A lot of people like to colour coordinate their motorhomes. And here you have an option of 3 different options. Again, you can also cover them up if you don't like either or any of the options. So just down here, you have your large storage unit. And then, of course, you have your handle to pull out the bed. And it's just as simple as twist and pull. Like, anyone could do that. That's so easy. And then to put it back in again, you twist and push. And there you go. Fold it out of the way so there's plenty of space either side. Again, with these Rapidos, you do have your privacy doors on either end. But your shower door, your bathroom door can also work as a privacy door. Let's go see the showers and toilet. So there is our trusty camera woman, Hannah. No way of hiding her because there's so many mirrors in this place, and that's exactly what you want. So this is your toilet, and it's a separate toilet shower, as much Rapidos are. That is a cassette toilet, your sink. Now, what is unique about this mirror, and I find it quite interesting, you can actually fold it out of the way. So you pull this part out and there's storage in there. You pull this part out and there's storage in there as well. But if you want to use all the storage, you simply push the mirror out of the way. Tons of storage there. Push the mirror down here. Tons of storage there as well. And then that simply just clicks back into place on either side. And you have all your storage used. Then on the opposite side, you have your separate shower. Of course, you do have your shower doors here. And Rapido has changed these this year where it's a magnetic strip that holds it in place, just like that. And that's a new feature for 2022. You do have your little stool down there. Feeling lazy, you can sit down, no problem. So that's a wrap, folks. That is our brand new Rapido 2022 Distinction I96. If you'd like to see this vehicle in a little bit more detail, please get in touch. You can contact me marketing@thompsonleisure.com. You can give me a call on 028 9269 3999. You can drop me a message in any of our social channels or down below, and I'll pick them all up as well. And I'll see you in the next video.